What's up, everybody? Today we are in the cave for the first time. Is this the first time? I don't know. Anyways, my display case over here needs a little attention, so we're gonna work on that. So this is my cool display case of cool things, and this Darth Vader area here needs a little help. Oh, is that a prototype? Yeah, it is. I got a cool idea to jazz this up a bit, so check this out. I got these, I was at Home Depot the other day looking for just stuff that might look cool. And I came across these things. Let me get focus here. They are in the garden department. These are just like things you put your pots in, you know, like if you have a plant or whatever. And this was 43 cents, I think. And I think this was like 80 cents or something. But they look super cool. So we're going to turn those into some cool looking bases for some figures. So super cheap. Let's see what we can do with it. Oops. A little bit of primer. Look how cool those things look. Yeah. Yeah, that's awesome. Okay, I got this Krylon all-in-one metallic dark metal. I think that'll look cool. Stuff has some pretty good coverage too. Like this metallic look. All right.
So as you can see here, I sped this up just because, you know, it's boring. But all I'm doing is doing a little black airbrush around the base of each of them, and I'm going to go into the little detail parts just with black, just regular straight up black. I'm just kind of coloring in this spot, and then I want to do these little lines here that, you know, just kind of emphasize them. It'll really bring out that pattern and make it look more like a floor grate or something, you know, that you would see on, you know, perhaps on the Death Star or Cloud City or something like that. This was easy. I didn't mask anything off. I just turned my pressure down on my airbrush a little bit and just painted those in, and I don't know, it looks pretty cool. Here I'm going through the little finer spots. I thought it needed a little bit more, and it definitely helped a lot. It's very cool. Here I'm using the Vallejo silver, and I'm just going to do a little dry brush. It doesn't take a lot of paint at all. Just kind of get a little bit on your brush and wipe most of it off, and then just kind of dust over the top. It's not really rocket science. When I started doing this, I always used a bit too much paint on the brush, and I would just make a mess. And I finally learned to pretty much just get as much of the paint off of it as you can, and then it's kind of just right. But you can see it's just it makes a little bit of a little, you know, hitting the highlights there. It just makes it stand out a bit more. I dig it.
So this is a center of a spool of filament. I just painted it black, and we got this nice cheese container. We're gonna paint that black too. Wind's in my face, that kind of sucks, but whatever. I'm just painting right over the sticker and everything. Who cares? Look at this thing. That's some Imperial hardware right there. All right. I was gonna put some greeblies on this and kind of jazz it up a little bit, but there's no need. There's gonna be something in front of it. But painting that with some Canyon black satin finish looks nice. So let's let that dry and we'll do the thing. Okay, so now that all that's painted, this is a little cracker box. I'm gonna put the box on there, and this is that spool that I painted. I think I'm gonna put this right on top of it, like so, to elevate it. It kind of just fits snug on there. I was gonna put some greeblies on the side, but this is just a quick kind of thing, so I'm not too worried about it. Just stuff it on there. And let's put it in the cabinet. Okay, so I hope you can see this. It's a little weird doing it by myself here. It's my Samurai Vader that I got from some clients of mine. Super dope. It's my prototype Vader that I got from my friend Kurt. And here's the box for that. The box looks super dope. We're gonna put that up on the cracker box. Just elevate it a bit. And then that just kind of goes away in the background. And then I'm gonna take the big disc, put that right in the middle. Put the Samurai Vader on it. Oh, that looks dope. And then over here, we're gonna do the little disc and put the prototype Vader up here. Oh yeah, super cool. Oh yeah. Let me grab you here. Hold on. Hold on. Hell yeah, that looks cool. Right? Dun, dun, dun. Yeah, and that was super easy. And that cost me all of like $1. And that's that. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and all that good YouTube stuff. And I'll see you next time.